When your customer wants to take a picture, that's when you know you did a good job.
Yeah, this looks good.
Thank you, Jason. All right, guys, so this is the second coat going down. When my client Jason came up, he said, wow.
It was wild.
Yes, sir. Yep. And I did tell him, like I said, you know, I do set realistic expectations, but I did tell him I can definitely make this floor look very good without sanding, and that's what we did. So again, this is the second coat going down. This is a satin finish, so it's not gonna be this shiny. Sometimes people panic when they see us putting down finish. They'll say, oh no, Courtney, we didn't want it shiny. I said, no, every finish is shiny, but when the water evaporates, it have a nice satin sheen on it. All right. All right, Jason, thanks again, brother.
All right, man.
All right, guys.
So you need about what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, about 5-10 minutes, and I'll meet you downstairs to get the payment.
Sounds good, sir.
All right. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is March 25th. We're out here in Suwanee, Georgia. I actually went up to Suwanee this morning. I did a consultation. A new client moving in from New York bought this beautiful home. Need the floor screen or recoated. Probably want to have it done in 3 weeks. So anyway, guys, we're out here. This is the residence of Jason. Jason found me online. I came out here about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. He booked on the spot. It's a small project. We're gonna be doing 524 square feet. We're gonna be doing an aggressive screen recoat. We're not gonna be UV curing, but we do have a job after this in Lawrenceville. They're putting their house on the market, and they're going to be doing a screen and recoat with the UV cure. So I also got my my first international ride along with me today, Jules from London, UK. So let me flip this around, guys, show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are out here in beautiful Suwanee, Georgia. It's a gorgeous day today. So let me show you guys what we got going. Look at all that pro coat, UV machines for the next job. My little palm sander. So anyway, guys, let's go in here and get this party started. Did he bring the hose in? Yeah. All right. So I'll show you what we got going. It's gonna be a good one. I did one like this about 3 weeks ago in Jefferson, and he's very excited. All right, guys. So we're gonna be doing this foyer area. You see all these worn spots, okay? We're also gonna be doing these stairs, this little lip, and then we're also gonna be doing this entire area right here. You see all this worn area, guys? So we're gonna get pretty aggressive on these floors. There's Jules, he's back. And that's good, we got Jules today, because Jules know how to sand floors. And just in case we need to sand this floor, we got Jules with us. And then we got this dining room area over here, which isn't too bad. Client moved all the furniture out into the kitchen area. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And stay tuned. All right, guys, we got this floor smoothed down really good. Also did a little light color correction in those areas that were really worn. Jules is rolling, okay, and
what's that for?
yep.
What services?
Oh yeah. All right, guys, customers are also very happy with what they see so far. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the first coat down here, then we're gonna go around to our next job because it's not far away, screen that floor down. It's an engineered floor. Screen that floor down, do a little, it needs some color correction, but not much, and then put the rag coat, because they're going with the UV cure. After we get the rag coat down there, probably take a little lunch break, come back here, do the walkthrough with the client, do the second coat, because this is a site finish floor, so we're gonna do 2 coats on this, and then after that, go back to the job and then UV cure that floor. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back from lunch. This is we about to get ready to put the second coat down. But man, look at these floors, guys. That looks so much better. Just doing a little few touch-ups on the stairs. But guys, remember all that worn area that was right here? All up there, look how much better that looks. Look at this. Oh, so much better. So much better. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get the second coat down. Then we're gonna head to our second job, which is a Screen Recoat with UV Cure. It's in Tequila, not far from where we are now. All right. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.
$4,000.
So,
Your number definitely was a whole lot better, as you already know.
yep.
And so so then I called you directly and I said, hey, let's make this work.
Let's make it work. But
I
they.
had a few people come in here, look at it, and it was the first square foot kind of match.
Yep.
So the floors, and
But everybody wanted to sand it though.
yeah,
Yep.
I had a buddy of mine, I'm not sure if you know, Winfield Realty, he's mine. It's like my son-in-law's father.
Okay.
And so I asked him about it. I said, have you ever heard of this? He goes, oh yeah, they do a nice job.
Oh, us.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Okay.
he actually threw your name out and said, yeah, they do a nice job. So it's Winfield Realty.
Man, that is the second time that's happened. Last week, I went to go do a quote, and the husband told me, he said, by the way, we told the real estate agent that we was getting our floors done. And they said, about who? They said, oh, we had Truman. He said, yeah, that's who I was going to recommend.
Yeah.
Man, that's good. My name going around. That's what I'm
Name's going around. It is.
I love it, man.
Hey, Diane. You gotta show Mama. She was yelling if she didn't do it.
Wow. I told boy, they ain't with that county. They in trouble.
Trying to get